Well, most of us know Pinterest for its design inspirations as well as cooking ideas, but health officials say it's also a platform where misinformation about vaccination is being shared, prompting the social media site to do this so that you can monitor what information is being put out there. Type in the word vaccine. This message saying the topic often violates Pinterest community guidelines pops up. Below, it cites results from recognized health experts, a move now being applauded by the World Health Organization and medical officials here at home.
Because some people are using this information to make healthcare decisions for themselves or for their loved ones, and they're making incorrect decisions based on that. So, these efforts to really promote science and fact and truth online is certainly a step in the right direction.
This after social media companies face scrutiny over how they monitor their content online. Health officials say the increase of misinformation about vaccines that is being spread online could be to blame for the resurgence of vaccine-preventable diseases.
Currently in Canada, we're in late August of 2019, and there's been about 88 cases of measles in Canada so far this year. If we compare this to 2018, there was only about 29 or 30 cases in 2018. So we're certainly significantly higher than we were last year.
Social media researcher Melody Song says this was a long time coming. Her research finding 70% of searches on Pinterest are related to the spread of misinformation surrounding immunizations.
They've been the #1 reason that people still quote or share images of anti-vaccine messages. So it's a brave move for them.
A move other social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram have only tiptoed around by reducing anti-vaxxer messages on their user feeds, but not banning the spread of it altogether.
What I think is that they've taken a good initiative and not ban anti-vaccine message for the reason that there's also a concern that it's blocking freedom of speech. And that's a very sensitive area that I think different companies and platforms, based on their policies, will try to think differently about.
Toronto Public Health also recognizing the power of social media in a statement saying in part, social media and the internet play a significant role in spreading misinformation about vaccines and have contributed to vaccine hesitancy. Vaccine hesitant parents make up about 20% of Canadian parents. They go on to say the more action these companies take, the better it will be to address vaccine hesitancy. Now, we reached out to Facebook. They say they have nothing to say at this time. Now, in April, Toronto Public Health, they addressed vaccine hesitancy in a report to the Board of Health. That report had recommendations and a review, and they'll be using social media platforms as well as search engines. It will be brought forward to City Council at the end of the month.